that there's a quid pro quo in this case, and that KTR is a lot of corruption here.
First in the case, Sri KTR will appear before the ACB today around 10:30, and from the day one we have been saying this is a fabricated case to fix KTR. There is no corruption in this. There are no malpractices in this. As a minister, Sri KTR, as a minister of then MAUD, he has taken a policy decision to ensure the race will continue in Hyderabad. Instead of in the place of ACE Next Gen, he has allowed to include HMDA as a promoter to ensure the continuance of the race. There was no malpractice. The intention was to ensure the race is continued and Hyderabad will get the name and fame so that Hyderabad will become a hub for the electric vehicles. There are no malpractices. There is no quid pro quo at all. People who doesn't even know what is quid pro quo is talking about quid pro quo. The intention is to witch hunt KTR in this particular case. This is a case of political vendetta.
But apparently there is also no cabinet approval for the funds that he had transferred.
An agreement was in place. There was a tripartite agreement for which, as a minister, Sri KTR has taken a decision. It doesn't need a cabinet approval in specific. Only in the place of, ACE Next Gen, the HMDA was included as a promoter. So first leg was over. To continue the second leg, the decision was taken, and all the business rules must be, observed. Rather, implementation of the business rules is the responsibility of the officers concerned, not the ministers. But end of the day, these are all the issues which are in place, which are in the public domain. But ultimate intention of the government is to fix KTR somehow and see that they wanted to see him in jail. They wanted to, put us to the troubles. But however, as a law-abiding citizen, he will appear before the ACB and ED the next, and he will come out clean in this particular case.